available questionnaire number 3. We have some more questions to be answered. Keep bringing them in.
Yep.
Right. Go ahead.
What is your favorite game?
What's my favorite game? Well, there's this one game while outside. There's a human that throws a ball. I chase after it and I bring it back. And he throws it again. I go get it again and he keeps bringing it back. I throw it again. It's awesome! I call it human ball throw game.
Ball game.
Yeah.
What would you do if the world stopped making Reese's?
What? What's not gonna stop? What? My Reese's.
What if the world stopped making Reese's?
Huh?
Reese's. They go
What
bye-bye.
I do?
Like this.
Reese's! It would be a lot like that. I made a mess.
Messy.
Yeah. Messy.
But it didn't happen.
Yay!
Okay. Now questions for both of us. Can we do handstands?
Can we?
I don't know.
We can try without damaging stuff.
A little late for that.
I kind of made a mess. Uh-oh. The question was, can we do handstands? Well, let's find out. Just be careful of ears, because we can do damaging on ears. Let's see here. I'll go first. Oh! I guess that would be a no.
No.
Your turn.
Okay.
Owie. Head. You get over there.
That didn't work.
So to answer your question, no, we can't. Did I just grab it? Oh, Reese's. Never be a world without Reese's. No.
Reese's.
Yeah.
If you were not the animal that you are, what would you be?
If I wasn't the animal that I am, what would I be? I'd have to say probably an otter or anything that's not a fox, because foxes are guilty. Yes.
Me? Probably a dragon.
Ooh, a dragon.
I like freedom.
You like being
Right.
flaming.
Burn. Flaming. Turn. Mech or cyborg?
Mech or cyborg?
That's what it says.
Well, I'd have to say cyborg. Just because you still have parts of your body you can do stuff with.
Agreed.
Ha ha!
Cyborg.
Cyborg for the win!
Still got fur too.
Yes!
Keep the fur. And Sonic or Star Fox?
Sonic! You can run fast. I love chili dogs.
I got Star Fox. Just got
But
him.
it's a fox.
For what he does, he flies.
He's pretty cool on the ship and all. He's still a fox.
I like cannons.
Hey.
Cannons. What is your favorite activity outside?
My favorite activity outside? That's another good one. There's so many things to do out there. Like that game where the guy throws the ball and I keep bringing it back. I love that game.
All game.
But there's also one with a frisbee, but he also throws it and it comes back. That game is awesome too.
Yeah. Sleeping in the shade.
You lazy dog.
Yes. Ah. There you go.
You like sleeping in the shade.
I don't remember the last question.
You remember the last question? What'd you do with the
I
paper?
remember it. I remember.
What is it?
What season do you prefer?
What season do I prefer? Summer! What all the best cons and stuff are. No, yeah. The fall has a lot of good cons too, but I still have to say summer because it's warm and awesome.
Winter, I like the cold.
You like winter?
I like the
Yep.
cold.
Ah, from there I thought I was gonna fall over. But I did it.
He fell.
Oh! I was beat up with it. You're so bad. So bad. Ah! Goldie! The Goldie. Goldie! This has been another session of Questionnaire. Woo! Send more!